Hello everyone, we are going to start with practice set 4.1, that is construction. Now first topic, and here we are going to draw similar triangles. Till now, till the 10th standard, you learned about how to draw the triangles and everything, but now here something different is that. Now we have to draw the similar triangles. Now let us start with the first example. Now what is the first example? In triangle ABC, or triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. Now in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, CA equal to 4.5 centimeter. So construct triangle ABC and triangle LMN such that BC upon MN is equal to 5 by 4. This is given to you. Okay. Now here only the sides of triangle ABC are given to you, that is AB is equal to 5.5, BC equal to 6 centimeter, CA equal to 4.5 centimeter. Alright, but the ratio of the corresponding sides of the two similar triangles are given to you. So see what exactly it is. Now here triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN, correct? So AB upon LM is equal to BC upon MN is equal to AC upon LN. Now this you know by what? As the triangles are similar, then what happens? Their corresponding sides are in proportion. So see here, corresponding sides of a triangles are in proportion. Okay, but this proportion is given to you. How much? It is 5 by 4. So just substitute the sides. 5.5 upon LM, 6 upon MN is equal to 4.5 upon LN is equal to 5 upon 4. This is given to you. Okay, now out of this, whatever given to you, you have to find the rest of the side, that is LM, MN and LN. How you can do it? See here, take first ratio 5.5 upon LM and 5 by equal to 5 by 4. So see here, 5.5 upon LM is equal to 5 by 4. Just cross multiply and take this 5 to the denominator. So what you will get? LM is equal to 5.5 into 4 upon 5. So just cancel it out. It is 5 ones and 5 ones, means 1.1. So 1.1 into 4 is how much? That is 4.4 centimeter. So you got LM is equal to 4.4 centimeter. Like this you have to find rest of the sides also. Now let's see the second one. Now here 6 upon MN is equal to 5 by 4. So take it, 6 upon MN is equal to 5 by 4. So again cross multiply. So what you are going to get? MN is equal to 6 into 4 upon 5. Okay, now 6 4s are 24 upon 5. So if you cancel it out, it is 4.8. So MN is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Correct. Now let's go to the third part, that is 4.5 upon LN is equal to 5 by 4. So 4.5 upon LN is equal to 5 by 4. Again cross multiply. So 4 into 4.5 upon 5, that is equal to LN. Okay. So now if you cancel it out, it is 5 9s are correct. So it is 0.9 into 4, that is 3.6. So you got LN is equal to 3.6. So like this you got all the three sides of triangle ABC as well as triangle LMN. Okay, see here LM, MN and LN. It is given to. Now you able to find it out. Now we have to do the construction. So this type of example may come for 4 marks. Now here we are going to learn the two types. Out of this is the first type where we are going to have two different triangles. So understand this very carefully, because many times children are making mistake in this type of example. Here triangle ABC and triangle LMN, these are the two different triangles. Means you are going to have two different diagrams of triangles. Is it right? Keep this in mind. I will tell you in the next examples that how you are going to have in one triangle, that is 2 in 1 triangles. Okay, that I will explain later. But how you will understand, that is based on the name of the triangle. Now here name of the triangle is ABC and here LMN. Okay, so means what? You are going to have the two different triangles. Okay, now whenever you are drawing a diagram, that is the construction, you have to draw one rough diagram. Although if it comes for 3 marks or 4 marks, but still I suggest you to draw the rough diagram, because sometimes rough diagram is compulsory. But 4 marks it is compulsory, for 3 marks also it is compulsory. So please keep the habit of drawing the rough diagram. Although we do not know the nature of the diagram, but still we can draw it. What we have to do, just draw small triangles. You don't have to take the proper measurements, you just have to draw the triangles. Okay, so this is A, B and C. Now let us draw first the side BC. Now BC is here, this is BC, equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, I told you not to take the proper measurement, just draw it. So now let's draw it, complete it. I am taking it down. Now complete the triangle ABC. As I told, its size and shape and the sides are immaterial. Okay, now again I am repeating, although I am drawing with the help of pen, but you have to draw the diagram in exam with the help of pencil only. So write the dimensions of the sides. See, why to draw the rough diagram? First thing is that you will come to know the dimensions clearly. This is 5.5 centimeter, as well as you will not miss out any of the part of the construction. Okay, so this is 4.5 centimeter. So this is first triangle. Now LM. Now LM is little bit smaller than the ABC, so you can justify from your lengths given to you. So this is triangle LMN. So here it is LM and this is M. Now MN is 4.8 centimeter and ML is 4.4 centimeter and your LN is 3.6 centimeter. Okay, so this is the rough diagram over. Now when you are getting this type of example for 4 marks, 1 mark for the rough diagram. If rough diagram is not there, your diagram will not be checked, your construction will not be checked, you will get 0 for this. Okay, now let us construct the first part, that is the triangle ABC. Now how to draw the triangle ABC? For that purpose, now let us see in the diagram, rough diagram, you have seen that it is BC is 6 centimeter. So draw BC 6 centimeter here and keep habit of drawing one page, one diagram. That will be more easy for us, as well as it is good for exam. See here, 1 point BC is equal to 6 centimeter. So I have taken it 6 centimeter, and as soon as you draw any sides, first label it and write the dimensions. See, dimensions are equally important. Sometimes they are deducting the marks for not writing the dimensions also. Okay, so it is compulsory that you should write the dimensions as well as labelings. Now take 5.5 centimeter in your compass and draw the arc. Now always when you are drawing the arc, you should hold compass like this. This is the correct position of holding the compass. Is it right? Some of the children are holding like this and that, and then this is wrong. So you have to hold the compass like this in your hand whenever you are drawing the arcs also. So keep your compass on BC like this and draw the arc. And as I told, you must draw once only. See, I have drawn it with the help of pen. Okay, now next is you have to take AC for 4.5 centimeter in the compass. Now let us take. Now here I took 4.5 centimeter in the compass. Put your compass on vertex C and intersect the previous arc. Now if you see here, my arc does not get intersected. So what you have to do, again go back and take 5.5 in your compass and intersect it. So let us do it. Like this you have to intersect. Now after intersecting, immediately write the name of the intersecting point, that is vertex A. Okay, now join it. So when you are joining, please match the points very carefully. Now when you are there in the situation of 40 out of 40 marks, that time we are very much strictly checking the constructions and all. Okay, and that time accuracy also matters. So join it very carefully and all the points should be joined like this. So here in this way you got the triangle ABC. Again, if you are not written the sides, then chances that you will mass will be reduced. So write the sides also. This is 5.5 centimeter and this is 4.5 centimeter. Now you will come to know the importance of this rough diagram, because you are having the sides in front of you. Otherwise what happen, again you have to go to the question and check what are the dimensions and all. So rough diagram is equally important for you. So this is, in this way you have constructed triangle ABC. Now let's go to the triangle LMN. So base of LMN is MN, that is 4.8 centimeter. So take 4.8 centimeter. So this is 4.8 centimeter. So draw a segment of 4.8 centimeter. Okay, and label it immediately. Say it is M, and this is N, and this is 4.8 centimeter. Okay, now you have to take the dimensions of LM. LM is how much? LM is 4.4. So let us take 4.4 into the compass. Here I took 4.4 in the compass. Now let's put compass on M and draw the arc. Okay, so this is 4.4. Now next is 3.6. Now let's take 3.6 into the compass. So here I took 3.6 length of the side LM into the compass, put it on N, that is LN, and intersect it. Okay, see here, intersected. So immediately you have to write the name of the vertex. See here, it is L. Now join it. So again, be more accurate. Okay, now here LM I have joined. Now let's join LN, LN. Okay, now what part is remaining? Yes, writing the length. So write it. So LN is how much? It is 4.4. See here, 4.4 centimeter. And how much is LN? Like this you have to complete the construction. Okay, now I will give you the marking scheme to you all. Say for rough diagram you will get 1 mark. Okay, now for here drawing the diagram, that too with the proper measurements and scale, so the marks distribution will be half mark for this and half mark for drawing the proper triangle. Here also you will get half mark for drawing the dimensions and half mark to complete the triangle. So like this you will get the 3 marks for your exam. Okay, so may it come for the 4 marks, then the marks will vary. Okay, so like this you have to complete the diagram and you will get 4 out of 4, because this is the topic where you are going to score maximum. Thank you.